Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I am here with a package from my lovely, wonderful, and dear sweet friend, Miss JaneMarge, who is Creative Craft Closet here on YouTube. And JaneMarge messaged me last week. We'd also just done a swap as well, and JaneMarge, yours is on its way to you. We'd also just done a swap, so I'm sure you saw that video. But she messaged me afterwards and said, I know your birthday is on October the 8th, so I wanted to send you something. So that's what this is. And she's got surprise, JaneMarge, and I cannot thank you enough, my dear sweet friend. Oh my goodness, you're amazing. So I don't know what's in here. So I'm going to open this up. Oh my goodness, I'm very excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's the package, and I see a card here. It says birthday greetings. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Happy birthday, Kim. Have a wonderful time, sweetheart. Lots of love, JaneMarge. Oh, you are the best. You are the best, JaneMarge. You are one of the sweetest people I know. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful tissue paper here. I have a feeling this, oh my goodness, I'm gonna cry. Look at this beautiful angel tissue paper. So you know I'm gonna be reusing that. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's a beautiful wall hanging. Let me just move this over here for a minute. Oh my gosh, look at the bling. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. It is a wall hanging, obviously. I'm just trying to see. It's got beautiful fabric and then this gorgeous crocheted doily piece back here. Beautiful beaded lace all the way around. One of her gorgeous flowers, and she sent me some of these flowers in our swap. Absolutely gorgeous color. I love this color, JaneMarge, and look at this beautiful image. More beautiful beaded trim everywhere. Rhinestone trim, but can we talk about what's happening down here? Look at this. Look at that bling. I mean, wow. This is a separate piece, and then we have this piece here, which is a separate piece. And then there's this piece that's a separate piece. And then there's another piece under here, and that looks vintage to me. I hope you can see that. Let me just lift that up. That piece under there with the dangles. There we go. Look at this piece, how it dangles down at the bottom here. Oh my gosh, JaneMarge, this is truly amazing. There's like tons of laces here and dangles. Oh my gosh, look at all the dangles. Oh, JaneMarge, it's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. What a wonderful birthday gift. You are just so sweet. I'm so blessed to have some of your art in my home as it is, but oh my goodness, you spoiled me. You really have. Oh, I'm such a fan of your work. It's so beautiful. And I'm going to have the link to JaneMarge's channel in the description box for you guys. If you're not subscribed to her, please go over and sub. Look at how beautiful this is. All this bling, my goodness. It's amazing. It's amazing. That looks vintage for sure. These are all beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. You are the best, JaneMarge. Oh, thank you so much, my dear friend. I'm speechless because it's so beautiful. I love this image. And she's got just the tiniest color here, which is the same color as the flower, which is it's like a purpley blue color. And of course she's made these flowers and done the edges that you singe. Love that fabric. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I hope you guys are getting a good look at that. Let me see here if I can. There's the bottom. So sparkly. There's the top. Look at the sparkle on there. It's amazing. Totally amazing. JaneMarge, you are the sweetest. And I know you're away on vacation at the moment, but your package should be there when you get home. So I hope you're having a good time on your trip to Turkey. She was sunning herself the other day. I saw a post on Facebook. Oh my gosh, I'm just overwhelmed. I can't thank you enough. You are just the sweetest, kindest friend ever. I'm so glad that we're friends, and you're just so incredibly thoughtful. Please go over and subscribe to JaneMarge. You'll find the link in the description box, like I said. You can see how talented this lady is, and she's just one of the kindest people I know. So thank you so much, JaneMarge. Mwah! You're just the sweetest and the best. And I'm going to cherish this birthday gift from you. So thank you so much for that. And I will be back with another video soon, guys. Thank you, JaneMarge. Bye.